Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. Of course, give all the permissions if you're opening for the very first time. And here all we have to do, first of all, first thing about which we have to remember is to switch to the video mode, because currently we are in the standard photo one. So let's tap on the video, and since it is highlighted, since you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see right here at the very top of this bar, we've got the resolution. So we've got four different options from which we can choose. Currently we've got 1080p with 30 frames per second, because we've got also the second option with 60 frames per second. We've got 4K and also 720p. As I said, it is chosen because it is highlighted in this yellowish color. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 4K. And as you can see, it is immediately highlighted, which means that it was also immediately applied. And from now on, your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually, this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.